Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can fix the white screen of death on WordPress. So let's get right into it. Now, the white screen of death pretty much means that you have encountered a fatal error on your website, and your website will display just as a blank white page. Now, this happens in most cases. It doesn't in some. However, there are many reasons as to why this might happen. It might be server side, it might be client side, and the first thing you're going to want to do to diagnose what the problem is, if you have any other sites on your hosting account, just go ahead and access your other sites. If only the site you accessed is causing the problem, you can then go ahead and try and fix that using different ways. But if it is WordPress in general, then you're going to have to contact their support and wait for them to help. Now, what you want to do to actually start fixing, if it is your own site or that one singular site, you might be able to use recovery mode. Now, recovery mode is within the fatal error protection feature, which was introduced in patch 5.2, and then you might not see a white page. You will see that this site is experiencing technical difficulties. This means that there is a problem with most likely one of your plugins or a theme, and you will also get an email regarding your technical issue. It'll tell you exactly what's causing the problem, as well as give you a link to enter recovery mode. Then once you're there, you'll just need to go ahead and go into the plugin screen and deactivate or uninstall the plugin, and that should be pretty much it. Other than that, you can also use code snippets such as in WP code, or go into your WordPress config PHP file using FTP and edit it, and just increase the memory limit of your site. Oh, and by the way, I didn't mention this, but I'm using this article here because I cannot reproduce the problem, so it is what it is. Other than that, what you can also do is just disable all plugins, go into your plugins section, under bulk actions, click deactivate, then click apply, and reload your site, and everything should be good. You can also deactivate them all via FTP as well if you want. If you cannot access the site, just go into your site files, go into WordPress content, then go into plugins, and just right click on plugins and rename the folder, and rename it to plugins deactivated or whatever you want. This is the file that's needed for everything to load. If it can't find the folder, it won't load it, and everything will be disabled. Other than that, you can go into your themes file, delete all of the themes except for a default theme, and WordPress is just gonna in general start using the default themes such as 2023, 4, or 5 as the default theme. You should download your theme folder that is currently in use, just to have a backup before you delete it, and that should also help you fix it. Other than that, you can go into the config or the debug mode. You can go into the WordPress config.php and then add these lines of code to enter the debug mode, and the blank screen will have errors, warnings, and notices to help you debug everything. And you can also go to WordPress content to find the debug.log file. Other than that, if you have a caching plugin, just clear your cache. And if you have longer articles, you can go into your config file and add this code, which pretty much just sets some recursion and backtrack limits to increase them to help the site run faster. Other than that, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.